Hi, Marie with the Amateur Crafter. Tonight I'm going to do my unboxing that I've been teasing you about for like, I don't know, a month now. Okay, it hasn't been that long, but still, finally. Here we go. Let's go. Desk. Let's go. So Siser, they did a giveaway. That's how I won this. It was a giveaway. It's not that I did anything special to do it. Well, you can see my address. You can send me stuff. So let's get it open and see. I love Siser. It is Siser is how it's pronounced, like the salad. I really enjoy their products. They do a good job. Just to let you know, there is a shelf life on HTV and vinyl. And so it is recommended you only buy what you need for the project that you have on hand, especially for us home crafters. There's no reason that we need to buy anything in bulk if you're home crafting when you, well, I shouldn't say that. Siser wouldn't like me to say that. Don't buy as much is what I'm saying. For the home crafters, it's probably better for us not to have tons of product on hand because we don't want it to go bad before we can actually use it. And how you can tell if it's going bad, your vinyl, it doesn't stick as well, it doesn't weed as well, it doesn't adhere like it should, all of those things. Okay, that took entirely too long. So, don't buy more vinyl than you should. Oh my gosh! I have been waiting to get this confetti! Oh my god, yay! This is so much more than I expected. Okay. Wow. So look, I'm so excited about the confetti. Oh, let's do this. Let's get rid of the box and the packaging materials. I'm such a nerd. So it was live on Instagram, and so I got it. And this is their new PureHT software vinyl, completely compostable. So it doesn't so it composts. You can compost it. But look at this confetti! Isn't that fun? It's all just in glitter stuff. I'll bring it over here too. Is that good? I have been waiting for my own Siser confetti. I even thought about making some of my own. Oh goodness. Okay, I'm gonna have to put that in a fun bowl or something just for fun. Okay. So they included the welcome letter. Here are the colors: black, white, paprika red, autumn orange, amber yellow, moss green, ultramarine blue, stone gray, and russet brown. It's compostable, lower application temperature, 275, and it's a lot like Easyweed Stretch. They've also included the Siser Slap brand, a Brochure, Easyweeder, and a text sheet with application instructions for PureHT. So this is all of the application instructions and laundering instructions. Wait 24 hours before your first wash. It's a wash cold, mild detergent. No fabric softener. And then the cut settings for each of the devices. All of this information is on Siser's app. They have an app that you can look and on their website. And of course, I have some hashtags that I need to use, SiserNA and PureHT in this video when I put it online. I'm just so excited I get my own confetti. I'm excited about the vinyl too, but so this is heat transfer vinyl, this compostable. Let's just bring those out with their labels. so you can see what their colors. Oh, that autumn orange is so pretty. But of course, these are all just beautiful fall colors. Amber yellow, autumn orange, paprika red. Are we picking those colors up good? Russet brown, stone gray, and then a black and white. Oh, that's hilarious. My husband's legally blind, so he can't even tell me if we're picking up the colors well. What am I gonna make with these? Okay, I'm not sure, but I'll think about it. Oh, my puppy is eating the plastic, the packaging. Okay, let me set these to the side. Get out the rest of my confetti. Look at this. This one, okay, I can't do a whole video of you just watching me play with confetti. These ones are all stuck together because that's how they were cut. I love it. Yeah, gosh. The Juliet, when you do a test cut, the Juliet has a built-in test cut. You just press a button and then you click the test cut button, and then it cuts out a little t-shirt like this, but with a circle in it so that you can test, or a square in it, I don't remember, so that you can test if you have the right cut settings. And it only uses a tiny amount of vinyl or product. Material is the right word. No, sorry. It's going in the middle here. There we go. I am so tickled pink. Okay, and the rest of the stuff. So anyways, the Juliet. I love the Juliet. I really do. I need to use it more. Another baggie to get rid of. So here is a little keychain of all of their vinyl that they have and all of the colors. So these are the vinyl, they call it PSV, so pressure sensitive vinyl. A swatch, yes, swatches, that's what they are called. And oh, it even has the colors on here, perfect, so that you can see them. I'll just flip through them real quick. Oh, no, those are HTV. I am so sorry. This is the regular HTV, not PSV. So the shiny side is the carrier sheet, where the matte or the fuzzy side is the side that you cut on. This is where the adhesive, where it adheres to your shirt with. So this is the glue side, essentially. Okay, so the glue side goes on your shirt. So when you cut it, you cut on the glue side. So you have to cut it in reverse so that when you put it on your shirt and iron it on, the design shows up this way, and then you can just pull off the carrier sheet. Okay, that was the HTV. This is more HTV. Oh, this is, that's Easyweed. And then that means this is more Easyweed, but within the different colors. So all of the colors. So handy if you want to match a color with these swatches, and you can just match them to what the client has. Oh, I love their cute little t-shirts. I want to see that color. There it is, that beautiful light. It's not even a baby blue. It's like a, I don't know, really light blue. Okay, I need to stop playing with this. How boring for you. Okay. All of their products. This is their brochure for 2024. The first page has all of their application instructions for each of the types of vinyl that they have. And here's their Easy PSV. So this is their heat transfer is their main product line. Their Easy PSV is just their decal material. So the regular sticker material for everything else. And all of the colors in their various ways. And they have some sublimation stuff as well. So that's what they're talking about here. And of course, the small business, large business stuff, and the Romeo and Juliet. So, I want to get the roll holder, but I don't think I need it. And really, I don't have the space for it. I don't know where I'd put it. Okay, so here is the weeder from Siser. I will give this a try and let you know what I think. I am a pin girl from 143 Vinyl, so I am anxious to try this out. I am interested to try it out to see. It said there was a slap bracelet in there, but I didn't get one, so that's okay. I'm still super thankful to have to get everything they did give me for free, just to try. So, okay. Yay! I wonder how long I can leave this here without it getting everywhere. What do you think? Probably a while, he says. Okay, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching tonight. Have a great evening. Oh, if you have any ideas for what to do with that HTV, let me know. Bye!